So, what is your name?
My name is Ebitimi John Daniel.
Your name is Ebitimi John Daniel. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
You are 10 years old. Ah, that is wonderful. And you are doing, what are you doing?
Poultry farming.
You are into poultry farming.
Yes.
Wow. Why are you into poultry farming?
Because I'm interested in poultry farming.
Oh, you want to be a farmer, a poultry farmer, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, you have to keep it up. So, how old are these your birds?
8 weeks.
These birds are 8 weeks. Are you serious?
Yes.
What is the miracle? They are bigger than the weeks you are telling me. They are 8 weeks, right?
Yes.
Okay. 8 weeks and some days. Like how many days?
Like 5 days.
Okay, 8 weeks and 5 days.
Yes.
It's almost 9 weeks now. It's okay. So what do you want to do now?
I want to give them feed.
You want to feed them now? Yeah, give them feed. Let me see. Yes, according to him, his name is Ebitimi. He's 10 years old, and he said he's interested in poultry farming. And these birds, according to him, in just 8 weeks and 5 days, almost 9 weeks now, and they are very good. Like this very bed, these beds, like these ones you see here. Nobody can believe this bed. No one can believe this bed is just 8 weeks old. So they are doing very good. It's wonderful. That's great. So this is what he does. That is interested in poultry farm. And let me also ask you: do you go to school?
Yes.
You go to school.
Yes.
Are you in primary or in secondary school?
Primary.
You're in primary. Primary what?
Primary 5.
You're in primary 5. Okay, you will soon start secondary school.
Yes.
You have to keep it up. And what do you want to be what do you want to be in life?
A poultry farmer.
You want to be a poultry farmer?
Yes.
Is that what you want to do in your life? Okay, no problem. He said he loves poultry farming. He wants to go into agriculture. That is intended. That is what he wanted to be. It's a good one. So these birds, according to him, is just 8 weeks and 5 days, and they are doing very great. It's okay. So please, just any question you want to ask Ebitimi, just drop your comment on the comment section, and he is going to help us to answer those questions, because I can't just believe these birds are just 8 weeks, 5 days. It's wonderful. So, Ebitimi, do you have anything to tell us about what you did with these birds?
Yes.
It's okay. According to him, that he has something to tell us about how he was able to bring these birds to this size in just 8 weeks, 5 days. So, Ebitimi, we thank you. Try your best. Don't give up. Tomorrow you'll be a great farmer. Tomorrow you will feed us. Tomorrow you will feed us. We thank you for everything. God bless.